babybus.
Children, 2 treasure chest keys have been lost in the woods. Can everyone help me look for them?
Yay! Time to look for the key!
That is Mommy Duck. Let's go and ask her. What should I do? What should I do? My children are missing.
Mommy Duck, don't worry. We will help you.
A storm is coming. Quick, help me, baby ducks.
Little Duck, where are you?
I'm so grateful for you. Thank you. I'm so grateful for you. Are you looking for something?
We're looking for the keys to the treasure chest.
I have one here. Take it.
Mr. Mole, what are you doing?
There's treasure under the ground. I'm digging for it.
Let's dig together with him.
There's great treasure under the ground. Help me dig quick. Thank you. Are you looking for the keys to the treasure chest?
Yes.
I've found the keys to the treasure chest. You can have it.
There is the treasure chest. Let's go and open it. Which key should... Yes, this is the... Which key? Yes, this is the one.